eggshells on me. They're twisting my shirt. Oh no, I broke his picture.
Found another one.
That guys. We had a little funny bug intro that I just thought of that we'll have for a very long time. Boop. We got 3 in here.
Okay.
We found another one. Yep. Oh, it's alive! Wait, no, it's not.
No, it's just...
Oh no, Dad. Camera. The camera.
There it is.
Oh, there's a bunch of fire ants over there. I don't know if I got it. Oh, how did you not get pinched by that?
I don't know.
The ants are so weird.
Okay.
How dare they mess shrub butt babies?
Okay. Okay.
Stick them in. That one's got massive pinchers. Just drop them in. We have got 5 in there. We're gonna cook them up. See, here's the towel. Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna see a bunch of flying cool, shiny stuff. It's gonna be really cool. What do you guys? There's a mosquito on you.
Thanks. Oh, I wonder what it's
It's
eating.
still on you. It's one of the Asian tiger things.
Okay.
Okay, you ready to see a bunch of stuff fly? I'm just gonna get a stick. Bzz. We got it. Catch a rail. Go catch a rail.
Okay. Here's the lantern
They
fly.
don't do anything to you. Are they just weird?
They just jump on you. Eat leaves.
Oh, just weird. Okay. I'm gonna
Okay, here you.
bucket baby down, and you're gonna catch it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold bucket baby and the camera. Here it is. I see another one right for picking. He's got it. He loves My dad loves catching these things.
There we go. He's jumping around.
We've got one. I see another one right there, and I see 2 more, which we won't be able to get. And I see 2 more over here. Lots of invasive stuff. And oh yeah, did you get it?
Nah, I missed that guy.
And he flew out. He flew out, Dad. Oh, 100 of toxic waste.
Got 2.
I think they're gonna start fighting. Should we get those ants now?
All right, let's get a 3rd one.
And then we'll get a 4th one. Guys, we'll be back. We'll be back once we got like 4 or 5.
So this is our.
We're back, guys. Indeed, we are back.
We got 4 big guys in here.
Oh, it's so cool. You guys are gonna die soon, so I feel bad. One of those ants, they're so bad. One of them like bit me and it felt so hard. It hurt.
Here you go. See,
Fell over.
he flipped over.
Just shoot. Laugh out loud, dudes. Laugh out loud, ants are gonna have a big dinner. You're eating it for sure.
Yeah.
You just stand. Get down.
Okay. That looked like that worked.
What?
It looks like they're more concerned about trying to get out,
bleeding.
trying to escape. No, I think that's just their markings. He's trying to... Yep, there's one right there trying to get out. Trying to zoom. Kind of hard to zoom in on that.
Well, we'll be back until it's like a few hours in.